Welcome to Delft, a quaint 15th century city between The Hague and Rotterdam, a popular tourist destination and famous for Delft blue pottery and tiles. Centuries-old buildings are kept intact in the city center. This part is one of the three monumental buildings housing the Best Western Museum Hotels Delft, a medium-sized hotel of just 66 bedrooms decorated with paintings and beautiful antiques. These buildings are part of the charm of visiting Delft. Delft is known for its ceramic Delft blue pottery and tiles. The hand-painted ones are very expensive because of their intricate designs and hours invested in painting them. They are mostly collector's items. The majority of blue Delft that you find in souvenir shops are made for tourists. They're less expensive and still beautiful. Delft's narrow canals are a favorite for boat rides in the summer months to explore the historic part of the city, or simply to sit around to enjoy the day, especially on a lazy, warm afternoon. This is the Nieuwe Kerk, or the New Church in Gothic design. Its tower is the second highest in the Netherlands, and it houses the family tombs of the Royal House of Orange and overlooks the market square. Opposite the church is the old City Hall with its red shutters in Renaissance style, a popular venue for civil wedding ceremonies. The market square is surrounded by shops, cafes, and restaurants. It serves as an open market on Thursdays. There's never a dull moment here. These shops with beautiful gables are over a century old. The Henry Willig Cheese Shop offers many different flavors of cheese, like cow cheese, herbs and garlic, Jersey truffle, goat cheese, coconut cheese, pesto, red chili, and many more exciting flavors. They can also ship your orders worldwide. Al fresco dining on the market square is quite relaxing. A place to see and be seen. Antique shopping with the help of Koos Rosenberg, the owner. His collection of old Dutch clogs, century-old ceramics, ice skates, and other collectibles may just be the thing for you to take home. Drop by the oldest pharmacy on the market square and let Rob tell you how far back this family-run business dates. A lot of exciting things are in store for anyone who comes in here, not just medicines. You'd be surprised you can buy almost everything you need from head to toe and more. And these Dutch drops, as they are called, will sweeten up your walk around Delft. With restaurants opening up for outdoor dining, we hope to see you here in the near future to fill up these chairs and tables and enjoy Delft hospitality. Back inside the Nieuwe Kerk is where William I is entombed. Also called William the Silent, he is the ancestor of the present monarchy of the Netherlands. A short walking distance from the market square is the Prinsenhof, literally translated Court of the Prince. It was built as an urban palace in medieval times and once the residence of William I. It was here where he was murdered by a man named Balthazar Gerards. The Prinsenhof is now a municipal museum, housing a collection of paintings from the Dutch Golden Age. The museum has preserved the bullet holes that went through the wall while William I was trying to escape from his assassin. Just imagine how big those bullets were. A statue of William I stands proudly in the museum gardens. Just beside the Prinsenhof Museum is the Oude Kerk, or Old Church. Many Dutch nobles are buried here. It is also where many Protestant weddings are held, as well as many historical exhibitions. This is one of the finest paintings of Dutch painter Hendrik Cornelis van Vliet, capturing the grandeur of the interior of the church around 1660 to 1670. Who could ever say life in Delft is boring? Here in Delft is where you can find the oldest city brewery in the Netherlands, the Koperen Kat brewery. They brew 70,000 liters of craft beer every year and produce 17 different types of premium beers. One of them is the Balthazar Triple Beer, considered a blonde beer for the pale to golden color with a high alcohol content of between 7.5 and 10 ABV. It has a delightfully fresh and fruity taste, combining hints of banana and citrus flavors. Like an assassin, it'll take you over if you overindulge. The Balthazar Triple Beer is also the main ingredient of this Delft original mustard, giving it a kick with some sweetness of added honey and other flavorful ingredients of nutmeg, cinnamon, white balsamic vinegar, and turmeric. In cooperation with the Koperen Kat brewery owned by Ralph Kata, the mustard was created by Chef Erwin van Oosten for the Kokerie Delicatessen run by Chef Yuri Verbeek. Let's get cooking with Balthazar Triple Mustard.